today's episode, we're going to be wrapping up this beautiful piano for a nice customer. Should be an easy one. I'm going to show you guys a trick. I do this with my blankets as well. You have to put one hook on one side, and I put a second hook. This part goes on that side. The reason for that is when I put the hook this way, it's going to pull this way. So when I put one of these on that side, it's going to pull that side, which evens it out. You don't want both hooks pulled this way, which means the piano is going to lean this way, or your blankets or whatever item you have is going to tip wherever you have these pointed to, because this is going to pull in that direction. So I have one hook this way, another hook is going to be on that side to pull that way, and it'll balance it out. See, this pulls it back this way and it evens out. Make sure if you guys ever have to move the ramp like we just did, you have someone to lift that up. That thing will scrape all the pavers and you'll be in a lot of trouble.
Yes. We've been doing a lot of cleaning. It was very dirty.
You just moved in?
We haven't even stayed here yet, but yeah, we're moving on to another house.
Yeah.
Into this one.
Nice.
Yeah, we got a lot of work still to do, but we're getting there.
Yeah, it'll keep you busy.
And I'm really grateful for you because I was like,